Hey there, entrepreneurs. Welcome to Dropshipping 101. Start your own store today. So, what exactly is dropshipping? Well, let me break it down for you. Dropshipping is an online retail model where you, as a seller, don't hold any inventory. Instead, you partner with a supplier who stores, packs, and ships products directly to your customers when they make a purchase. This eliminates the need for managing stock or dealing with shipping logistics, making it an attractive option for entrepreneurs. So, how does dropshipping work? First, you need to set up an online store. Choose a platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or even Etsy. Next, find a supplier through platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Salehoo. Once you've got your supplier, list their products on your site at a markup price. When a customer places an order, you forward the details to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. And just like that, you earn the profit margin. Now, let's talk about the benefits of dropshipping. 1. Low startup costs. You don't need to invest in inventory upfront. 2. Flexibility. You can run the business from anywhere with an internet connection. 3. A wide product range. You can offer a vast array of products without stocking them. And 4. Scalability. Since you don't need to worry about managing inventory, scaling up is easier. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Dropshipping has its challenges. Low profit margins due to competition can drive prices down, affecting your profits. You're also reliant on your suppliers. Poor supplier performance like delayed shipping or low quality products can hurt your brand. And don't forget, as the seller, you're responsible for customer service even though you don't control inventory or shipping. So how do you start a dropshipping store? First, choose your niche. Find a market with demand and low competition. Next, research suppliers to ensure they are reliable and offer quality products with good shipping times. Then, create your store using an e-commerce platform. Design your site and optimize it for customer experience. After that, market your store. Utilize social media, SEO, and paid advertising to attract traffic. Finally, optimize your operations. Track performance, manage customer feedback, and continuously improve your product offerings and services. Dropshipping can be a great way to enter the world of e-commerce without the hassle of managing inventory. However, success requires careful planning, research, and constant marketing efforts. Ready to dive into dropshipping? Start your own store today and take that first step towards entrepreneurial success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more entrepreneurial tips.